Good morning. Happy Tuesday. You get to see me a day early. I'm sure all of you are like, yay. Anyway, hi, I'm Amy from So Let's Be Quilty Studio here in Pentwater, Michigan. I hope everybody's Tuesday is fantastic. I'm coming to you a day early because I'm off to Chicago to H&H. It's the Hobbies and Handicraft, I'm going to say. I think that's right. Anyway, it's a trade show where we get to see all the new stuff. I'm hoping to pick up some fun new things for the shop and hopefully some fun new bag things because it's just not quilting, it's knitting and other hobbies. So I'm hoping that we get some really fun other things for the shop just to keep it spicy. Anyway, so we're doing that, and I get to see some friends and hang out and see people I haven't seen for a while. So that is going to be super fun. So, but I wanted to hop on today and talk to you about two of the kits that we're doing for the All Michigan Shop Hop. If you don't know what it is, here's the deal. Michigan is doing its first all Michigan shop hop. That means that 82 shops here in Michigan and the UP will be participating. And what happens is you buy a magazine, beautiful magazine, All Michigan Shop Hop, and that has your passport in it. And then you decide, make your route, go see however many quilt shops you want to see, and then you get a sticker in your passport, and then you get a little block from each shop. Let me show you ours. I showed it to you before, but I will show it to you again. Ours is this little cutie pie right here, and it says it all started out as a harmless hobby. I had no idea it would come to this. That's what ours says. So everybody who it comes in gets one of these. It ends up being 4.5 inches when all is said and done. And that starts in June 1st and then all of July. So you have 2 months to just go to every quilt shop you need to go to. So that's happening. We also got specialty fabric from Wyndham Fabrics, and they are really pretty. So the first two kits that are live right now are so one bag kit, one quilt kit. So the bag kit is the Haralson belt bag by Noodlehead, and the kit with the pattern is $48. If you already have the pattern, let me know, and then I will take the pattern cost off of it. But this is what it looks like. So we have the Unicorn Roots cork, and I have a limited number of the corks, so that's why I only did that many kits. I'll pick something else if we run out of those. And then the fabric from the specialty fabric for the All Michigan Shop Hop this is one of them. It is the blue lighthouses. I think it's super cute. The hardware, all of the interfacing, the pattern, everything is included. And so I'm doing the method where you do the dual turn lock on the flap, and then you have gunmetal hardware. And then on the inside, you have the Michigan fabric, which I thought was super cute. And then we have a teal strap and then red zippers for this one. $48. It's a Haralson belt bag, all Michigan Shop Hop. That's one of the kits that we're doing. The other one is from the magazine. So if you are participating, you have the pattern. You don't have to pay for a pattern. It is the Lights and Blossoms quilt kit, and it is featuring the.
No, right now.
Yeah, I wanted to show you which was this is the top right here. So I'm going to have Mark hold it for us so you get to see it. So this is 61 by 61. So it features the apples, apple blossoms, and robin for the border, and then some of the blocks. And then you have the lighthouses in the sunset color which is kind of a really pretty gold and kind of like this little crimson color in here. It's really pretty. And then I chose to do a grunge for your background. So this whole kit is $64. And it is live on the website, so you can go in and pre-order. So you'll get your kit on June 1st. It goes pretty quick, so it's a good weekend quilt kit. Goes together pretty quickly. I got mine done in a couple of days. Take that as you will. So those are both live. So we're doing pre-orders for those two things, and I'll bring you two more things next week, so you can see other things that you might do with the Michigan fabric. So all Michigan Shop Hop. Okay. So last week we introduced the Tula Pink Roar fabric, which is a tiny bit of a departure from her, because instead of having like a whole rainbow, it had mostly like kind of a green, teal colorway, and then kind of a pinky purple colorway on the other end. So this is the half yard bundle. So I cut a few half yard bundles. For this one, there's rather big um, uh, like motifs in this roar. So I felt like some of them, a half yard would probably be a better option. There's a lot of things you can do with fat quarter bundle, which I'm going to show you. So we have half yard bundles for $144, and we have fat quarter bundles for $72. There's 21 pieces in each. And those are live on the website, so you can go and do that. And then I cut kits for the Book Nerd quilt kit from Tula Pink. So it's the Book Nerd. So it's these books like open so you can see the spines. Let me get it a little closer. And then it has all of the roar and everything in there. It also has, it comes in two backgrounds. I'm kitting it up with the Cosmic. So that's the Cosmic background. If anybody loves and wants the dark green background, maybe you're doing this for somebody who likes green a lot, let me know and I can cut background for that. So it's doing the white or the cream, the cotton candy fairy flakes for the book pages, and then the dark green lily pad color for the background. This one has the Cosmic for the background, and then it has the petal stripes for the little pages. So that kit is $145, and I cut 4 of them, but I can cut a few more if everybody really. I'm gonna work on like a little pillow of the Book Nerd, so you can kind of see what it looks like live. But I've actually started the Book Nerd out of a couple that like bits and pieces of other fabrics that I'm in love with. So it's a really fun little pattern. So if you want to do that, that's that. And so that's all for that. So so a couple of things. So we're on our 4th clue for Brown Bag Mystery. So it's getting to the point where we're starting to put things together and you kind of see what it's going to look like. I'm excited for everybody. I'd love to see any of your projects. If you want to put them on my page, I would love to see your progress on the people who bought kits from Solis Be Quilty. Because I think I was excited about quite a few of them. So I'd love to see those. And like or share the page, because that only helps us as a business, and I just would appreciate it. So everything is on solisbequilty.com. All Michigan fabrics are on the front page. You just have to scroll down. And then Mark popped in links for the kits that I had on there. So the 4th clue went out. You should be getting it sometime this week. Please let us know if we need to send you another one, or if you have questions, let us know. What was the other thing I was going to talk about? Next week we'll be showing you the projects for June, so let's make a bag. We'll do a box opening so you can kind of see what's in your box. And then I'll show you the two colorways and a picture of the third. Hopefully we'll be getting the third in here in just a moment. So we can show you what the third colorway is. What else? Let me think for a second.
That's all you had written down?
I think, oh, that's all I had written down.
You didn't
Okay.
tell them the weather today.
Oh, I didn't tell them the weather day. Well, it's been like foggy and, only in Michigan can you have a 62-degree swing in weather where where it's 77 degrees and then a couple of days later it's, it bottoms out in the middle of the night. So, you have to prepare for all options in the state of Michigan, which I've always thought was really awesome. Anyway, so next week we're back to Wednesday lives. And please have a fantastic day. And I will have all sorts of fun things, hopefully, to show you from the trade show that we're going to. So we'll see you next week and have a fantastic day.